वो ढीली बेनपणी हो जो
मैं ढीली बेनपणी हो अरे
अरे मैं આવી જાઉં
कि तू આવી जाओ
10 વખત બોલ્યા અમે લોકો
છે ભાઈ બ્રાઇટ ક્યાં છે
When I first saw Forum, it was love at first sight. I'll still say, I mean, I was still, as she mentioned, that we are still 13 years old, but I might not have known what love is at that time, but still, I would say it was love at first sight, and it's like, oof. Can I even date her? Is she even single?
You didn't qualify that time.
Yeah, I didn't qualify. Yeah, and both were kids. As she described, I probably I was not at my best at that time, and now if I'm looking, I'll say we both have come a long way. We both are quite mature now, and I think this 12 years when we remain, when we're not together, that taught us a lot of things and probably made things super easy for us to get together. So technically, even though 12 years we are not together, but they did play a big role in our today's.
When I first saw him, we were like 13. Yeah, we were 13. So we both looked like pretty much squeezed lemons, and with oily hair and some weird glasses and some weird spikes in the hair with the oil, and I don't know what not, like all disgusting things we had. I had a puff on my hair. And it was too, I don't know, I don't want to remember that kind of time of us. But yeah, so, and now what I see is a very beautiful, very handsome man, and yeah. So I think I told my mom way earlier than I told my dad, and that was because I was in US, and I could see what he was doing for me, and I texted her saying, he loves me like dad loves you, and I don't know if I'll ever be able to love him that he loves me. She said it's not a competition, it's always one fills other person's cup, and that's how it works, that's how relationships work. So she knew there was something between us happening in US. When I came back, she had already discussed things with dad. Obviously, mom being mom, she can't keep anything in her stomach. So when I got back, dad popped the question like, what's happening? What's the status? Do you want us to start looking for you, or what's happening? He knew it, but he didn't want to be so direct. So I said, me and Netik are, trying to understand things between us, the logistics and everything. So we want some time, and we'll get back to you. His reaction was, okay, you have 1 month before we see the kundlis, before the Kamurta ends.
सफर पे ढूंढे मिलके नए मकाम, ख्वाबों के आसमानों पे उभरे तेरे मेरे निशान। चल समझ